Okay, hopefully you can see me. Let's start packing for Japan. Which one should I buy? This is cute because of the pictures. I don't know if you can hear me. I'm getting this one. Just eating some mac and cheese while I watch Outer Banks from my floor. And then I'm going to pack. I'm scared. It's already like 9 and I honestly don't know how long I'm gonna be up for. So we'll see. Okay, see you later. Welcome to my packing routine that consists of me just throwing everything I have in my closet onto my bed and then deciding what will fit in my bag, and then usually this would happen the night before, which is today is the night before. Never done a packing video before. If you can tell, you probably can. Like I want to try to upload this video tonight, and then I won't be uploading throughout the whole trip. But if you want, I will probably be posting videos on TikTok. My TikTok is I'll put it right here. And then I also have an Instagram, and I will also link it right here. It's also linked below and on my channel. So if you guys want to check it, whatever. I think I need to bring this. Yes. Seriously, I have no idea what I'm wearing. This is a Panthers jersey I thrifted. I'm actually really proud of this because I've been looking for one for a really long time and I can never find one. This is like the old logo. I can't reach up there, so that's how that goes. Current state in my room is like hello. I usually like will put them on the bottom. Like this. I'm gonna try to close this now. Wish me luck. Hey y'all, so the battery died and I didn't realize that I packed everything. Poured all this, like my face wash, stuff I use for my hair. I was gonna use this, then I decided it's just too big and that I don't need all that. So usually do this when I go on short trips, but I just decided it was gonna work for this trip too. I get a bag like this at first, which I can use later during the trip. Put some stuff in here too. Usually this goes in my bag. But I have to show you guys the cameras that I'm using. And then I also have to show you how I pack my bag, like my carry-on, so a carry-on backpack and then a suitcase. So we'll do that. Do my cameras first. So the first camera is obviously this one, the one that I'm currently recording on. And then I have a Blackmagic 4K. This past Christmas I bought myself a 8mm camera, Canon. This is it. The light that's currently hooked up to this camera, this is its box, so I bring that. And then I have a book, currently reading Dune Messiah. I have my drawing book currently. It's brand new. I take this, put it through, and then I will also put this through too, but I'm not going to do it right now. Like this. And then it just hangs off. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I need to do. I think that's really it. I basically packed everything. Everything else is charging. Yeah, I think that's it. So please let me know in the comments below if you did like this video, like if you want me to do more of these. I have another trip coming up. I have an Instagram, TikTok, and anything else. So yeah, give me a follow if you want. I do a lot of drawings and video content and editing content. So yeah, bye guys.